You spent all this time as an educator and working with students in Mississippi and in prisons. What's a piece of advice that you try and pass along to your students?
I've been asked that. I mean, first of all, there is no piece of advice in particular. But when asked, I think the thing is that it's yours. When I was young, when we were young, people my age, we seized this thing. We were going to change the world. We tried to reshape everything in our image because we thought we could change things, and so we revisited. Well, now it's, 50, 60 years later. I could tell you what I think, but it's not mine. It's yours. So you in particular, or you in general, you have to find out what it is that is you, and that matters to you, and then do it, follow it, develop it. It's yours. Own it, That's what I always hope will happen, So what do I think? I could tell you a million things, but it doesn't matter what I think because it's yours. And I'm waiting to see where the young people lead us. I'm not looking at this point necessarily to lead them. Where, I mean, I could lead them, but no, I want that. It's there. Show me where you're going to go, and I'll follow. I hope,